here's the first bit of money. So this is all B minor pentatonic. So what you're doing here is bend up the 9th fret on the G and kill it with your right hand. Come back to 7 there. And then you're going to bend up 10 on the B, up a whole step. So you got, and then you go. So that's 7 to 10 on the B, and do that bend again, 9 up to 11. Come back to that 7 here on the G, and then you can do this, look. So I'm just sliding into the B here on the 12th fret. 10 on the high E, back to 12 on the B. So far we've got this. We've got this lick. So this is 2 strikes on 12 on the B. Bend up 12 on the high E. Let it down. Pull off to 10. 12 on the B. Then we have this nice lick. Bend that 9 again on the G. 7 on the G, 9 on the G, and then 9 on the D. Right, and on to the next phrase. So you're bending 9 again on the G. 7 on the B, 7 on the high E. Slide from 10 to 12 on the B. Do that bend again on 12 on the high E. Let down to 12. Pull off to 10 on the high E. 12 on the B. And play that section for you. Then we have a nice lick. Bend up. This 12, let me just play the lick for you. That's a really cool one, isn't it? So bend up that 12 on the high E. Let it down kind of slowly, and then 10 to 12 on the high E. Then the other way around, so you're going 12 on the B to 10 on the B this time. Then a slide back to a quick slide from, I'd say, about 12 to 9 on the G, back to 7 on the G. And then 9 to 7 on the D. And then another one of those quick slides from 9 back to 7, pull off to 5. And bend that 5, slightly sharp. Finish on 7 on the low E. So. Here's the next lick. That's very similar to the other one we did. 9 on the G, 7 on the B, 7 on the E. A little slide from 10 to 12. 10 on the high E. Bend that high E up. Let down and pull off to 10 on the high E. A little curl on 12 on the high E. 10 on the high E. 12. So. Here's nearly at the end now. Here's the last bit. So you're just bending that 14 on the high E. Release it back down to 14. 12 on the high E. 15 on the B. 12 on the B. And then what you want to do there, sorry I slid up to the 14th fret there before, but what he actually does is is slide from the 9 to the 11. That's where you finish on that F sharp note there. All right, so. And then the final lick is this. Really cool, that one. So bend up that 10 on the high E. Sorry, not on the high E, on the B. Let it back down again. Repick. Then 8, 7, 9 on the G, 7 on the G, 6 on the G, 10 on the D, 9. Okay. So we have. Then just to finish this solo off, we have. So that is 7 on the B, 7 on the G, and bend it slightly sharp. So 9 on the D. Then the same idea, 9 on the G this time, 9 on the B. Go back to that, 9 on the D. So. And then at the end, you're going to do this. So what I'm doing here is, if I take it, I'm muting this with that finger. So what I'm doing here is 11 on the G, 10 on the B, you're just kind of sliding into it. So if I mute it, I just do that so I can hit all the strings. Otherwise I just have to, you know, play those through. So there we go, that is the entire solo for Money.